Hi friends! So happy you're here with me today. We're baking a wholesome veggie casserole in the air fryer. First, let's peel the potatoes. We'll need 2 medium potatoes for this. Now, I'm cutting the potatoes into thin strips. You could also use a grater or just slice them with a knife. I love experimenting with different shapes when I cook. That's why I like switching up my kitchen gadgets. Grab the next potato and keep going. Look at these, so neat already. Add the potatoes to a large bowl. Next, slice the zucchini into strips. I'm using the same gadget here. But remember, a regular grater or knife works too. This is such a meditative process. I'm really enjoying it. Long, beautiful strips, just what we need. Add the zucchini to the bowl with the potatoes. Time for the carrot. 1 is just enough. Your support means so much to me. Please give this video a like, and if you have not yet, feel free to subscribe for more. Almost done. That will be plenty. Add the carrot to the bowl. Next, the red onion. Slice it into thin half moons. You can also use regular, white, or shallot onions. I love red onion for its colors and sweet taste. Add the onion to the bowl. Now for the garlic. Grate it finely. I love garlic, so I'm using 3 cloves here. Sprinkle salt over the veggies to taste. Add a pinch of smoked paprika, my favorite. Then a pinch of dried oregano. I'm also a big fan of cumin, so I'm adding some too. Mix everything together well. The aroma of fresh veggies and spices is just wonderful. Now let's move to the next step. Take 100 grams of flour. Sift it in. Add 2 eggs. There we go. The batter is almost ready. Mix it all together well. Friends, let me know in the comments, how often do you use your air fryer? For me, it's the most convenient way to cook right now. Line the air fryer basket with baking paper. Spoon the veggie batter onto the paper. Perfect. Just what we need. The texture is just right for a veggie bake. Spread the batter evenly over the surface. Let's start baking. Bake at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes, or 350 Fahrenheit. While it's baking, let's slice the mozzarella. You'll need about 250 grams. Slice it thin, any way you like. Take 100 grams of green onion and chop it finely. If you have other greens at home, you can add those too. Time for the sweet pepper. 50 grams is enough. I'm using 2 small ones. Like it spicy? Add a small hot pepper too. The aroma of this pepper is so good. I love adding it to recipes. I can hear our bake is almost ready. Time to take it out. Open the air fryer. Wow! Look at that golden color. Top the hot veggie bake with sliced mozzarella. Spread the cheese evenly on top. If the mozzarella is too wet, pat it dry with a paper towel. Sprinkle the green onion over the top. I hope you're enjoying this recipe. I tried to make it not just tasty, but healthy too. Sprinkle the sweet pepper on top. Look at how pretty this is, and the smell is amazing. Let's bake again. Bake at 180 Celsius for 7 more minutes, or 350 Fahrenheit. Done. Let's see how it turned out. I love it. Just what we needed. Slice the bake into pieces. It baked through perfectly. Here's the result. Place the bake on a plate. Enjoy while it's still hot. Sending love and bon appetit, my dear friends. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, share it with your friends. If you want more cozy recipes, hit subscribe and like lots more coming. Wishing you all the best. Take care. See you in the next videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.